Today, I'll show you how to stop wasting time by choosing the right actions that actually move your life forward. In the last video, we talked about practically proven strategies to stop being broke and financially stuck by channeling your efforts into actions that compound so you actually achieve results and earn more. If you missed that video, I'll drop the link in the description and as a suggested video after this one. Here's the truth. Most people are starting to realize you can work long hours, push yourself to the limit and still get nowhere, because your effort isn't targeted. That ends today if you implement what you're about to uncover. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to focus on the actions that multiply results and avoid the ones that reset daily, the ones that make you feel busy but get you nothing. Let's get started. Before we dive in, if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button, like the video, so YouTube suggests it to other like-minded people, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any strategies that multiply results instead of reset daily. The first principle is simple but powerful. Not all effort is created equal. Some actions multiply results, others reset daily. Knowing the difference is the key to finally seeing progress. Step 1. Define your outcome. Ask yourself, what is one concrete result I want in the next 60 to 90 days? Examples: for an office worker, it could be clearing your backlog and getting that promotion. For a nurse, reducing overtime stress while still saving time. For a stay-at-home mom, it could be starting that online fashion or beauty business. For a businessman, professional, or digital entrepreneur, it might be finally starting that blog or landing 3 paying clients this month. Once your outcome is crystal clear, you can start evaluating your actions, filtering them through one simple question: does this action actually get me closer to the result I want, or will it just reset at the end of the day? By focusing only on actions that move the needle forward, you take control of your time, energy, and results, instead of drifting into endless busy work. Now that your outcome is clear, it's time to choose the right actions, the ones that actually move you forward. I call this the right action filter. It's 3 simple questions that separate results multiplying actions from the ones that reset daily. Question 1. Will this action directly move me closer to my outcome in the next 60 to 90 days? Question 2. Does this action create leverage, giving me future opportunities or compounding results? Question 3. If I didn't do this today, would it actually harm my progress, or would I barely notice? Let's make it real. An office worker sending one strategic email that could close a deal versus grinding on formatting spreadsheets for hours. A carpenter buying a tool that saves 5 hours of work versus sanding manually. A digital entrepreneur writing a high-converting ad or email versus endlessly scrolling marketing forums. A stay-at-home mom who wants to launch an online beauty business, researching on beauty products with high demand versus doom scrolling and binging entertainment fashion shows. So, the right action filter is your shortcut, your cheat code, to stop busy work and focus only on what multiplies results. Before you start filtering, you need to avoid the traps most people fall into, the actions that feel productive but reset daily. Mistake 1. Working more hours without direction, long hours, no results. Mistake 2. Copying everyone else. Just because someone else does it doesn't mean it moves you forward. Mistake 3. Following generic productivity hacks, checklists, planners, apps. They can make you busy, but rarely compound real results. The truth is, most people are addicted to the illusion of effort and productivity. You feel like you're doing something, but at the end of the day, nothing sticks. Recognizing these mistakes is crucial. Once you see what's draining your energy without payoff, you can stop spinning your wheels and focus on the few actions that actually change your life. Now you might be thinking, so it's just asking myself questions. No planners, trackers, templates, formulas, productivity rules. That's the magic. It's not the questions themselves. It's that they cut through the noise, pinpoint the actions that actually compound results, and discard the ones that reset daily. Apply this today. Pick one high-leverage action, Test it over the next day or two and track the results. You'll see immediately what moves you forward and what doesn't. The clarity is addicting, and it makes every hour you spend feel like progress instead of wasted effort. To recap, define your outcome, apply the right action filter, avoid the traps, and focus on the few actions that actually multiply results. This works for anyone, office workers, nurses, tradespeople, entrepreneurs, because it's about results, not busy work. Now here's what I want you to do. Pick one high-leverage action today, focus on it, and leave a comment sharing your result. I'd also love you to tell me how you feel about this video. I read every single comment. I want to hear your breakthroughs. And if you haven't watched the previous "If You Work Hard and You're Still Broke" video that even goes deeper with practical strategies to earn more and escape being broke, it is on your screen now, and also suggested at the end of this video because it is the full toolkit. Together with this video, it gives you everything you need to stop spinning your wheels, make your efforts actually compound, and start earning more. Finally, don't forget to like this video, spread the love by sharing it, and join our growing community of outcome-focused people. Don't just work hard, work smart. Take control of your time, energy, and results. Starting today,